Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Brad here at Tool Tech's Auto Repair. Just hop on right quick. I want to show you a quick deal I saw on a 2008 Q56 Infinity, 5.6 liter, has exhaust manifold leakage, both sides. It looks like where the manifold is put together, where it bolts to the head, looks like it's coming apart right at the pipe to the flange. Let me carry over and see what I got going on. Let's see. There's the car. And 5.6 liter. Alright. Take you down in here. It's very back flange on both sides. I just cleaned it up, rewelded it, put new exhaust gaskets, cranked it up, and the leak's completely gone. I'm pretty happy with the repair. These are regular metal manifolds, so they're real easy to weld. Anyway, hope you all have a great day. Talk to you later.